June 2026. The World Cup is in America for the first time in 32 years. 11 host cities. The biggest sporting event in American history. My friend and I had the same salary, same love for the game, same dream. We both went. We both had the time of our lives. He came home broke. I came home with $11,500 more than when I left. Same experience, same memories, but a completely different financial outcome 10 years later. The difference was not luck. It was not his job or his rent. It was one decision I made before I bought a single ticket. A decision that saved me $4,440 up front and turned it into $11,500 by doing absolutely nothing for 10 years. This is the math nobody shows you before you click purchase on that third match ticket. Let me show you what my friend bought, because chances are you would have done the exact same thing. He wanted the full experience. 3 matches across 6 nights. First match ticket on resale, $850. Second match, $720. Third match, $620. But here is the part nobody calculates before they buy the second ticket. The experience trap. Hotels during World Cup week increased 328% compared to 3 weeks before. Average hotel per night, $400. He needed 6 nights. That is $2,400 just to sleep. Add transport between cities, food, official jersey, and fan zone extras. His total? $5,440. He had an incredible time, made memories, posted photos. No regrets. But 6 months later, he could not remember the score of the second match. A year later, the photos were buried in his camera roll. And the $5,440 he spent? Gone forever. Now, let me show you what I did differently and why the difference is worth $11,500 10 years later. I went to the World Cup. I picked one match, the one that mattered most to me. 1 ticket, $850. 2 hotel nights, $800. Local transport, food, and 1 jersey I already owned. Total cost, $1,000. Same energy in the stadium. Same chills during the anthem. Same memories I will tell for years. But I walked away with $4,440 still in my account. My friend spent that on 2 extra matches he barely remembers. I put mine to work the same week I got home. Not someday, not next month, that week. Because I knew what would happen if I waited. Here is the number that changes everything. The number nobody tells you before you book. I took that $4,440 and automated it into a simple index fund. VTI, an index fund that tracks the entire U.S. stock market. Not crypto, not speculation, ownership in real companies. Historical average return, 10% per year. Compounded, automatic, no effort required. Year 1, $4,884. Year 5, $7,150. Year 10, $11,524. The 2 extra matches my friend attended are now worth more than double what he paid. Except he does not have the money. He has the memory. And here is what nobody tells you about memories. They fade at the exact same rate whether you spent $1,000 or $5,440. But the math does not fade. Year 20, $29,890. Year 30, $77,530. Those 3 extra matches he barely remembers could have funded his kid's college, or his first rental property, or 30 years of compound growth. And if you are an international fan flying into America, the numbers get even crazier. Average international trip, $10,000 to $15,000, including flights, visa, hotels, and tickets. Smart Trip. 1 match, budget accommodation, local food. Total, $4,000. Difference, $6,000 invested. 10 years later, $15,562. 20 years, $40,364. Same World Cup, same stadium, same game. But one decision separates financial freedom from financial regret. So why do most people choose the expensive path every single time? Because the financial system built something brilliant, something I call the experience trap. The experience trap convinces you that spending more equals experiencing more. That 3 matches is 3 times better than 1. That premium seats create premium memories. It uses scarcity marketing. You only live once. This only happens every 4 years. You deserve this. Treat yourself. Make it unforgettable. These are not your thoughts. These are marketing slogans designed to empty your account while you smile. The trap works because the experience is real. The joy is real. The photos are real. But the financial cost is also real. And compound interest does not care how good your Instagram looked. Here is what I did instead. And this works for any major event, not just the World Cup. Step 1. I identified the one experience that would create the memory I actually wanted. For me, that was one match, the semifinals, the game that mattered most. Not 3 matches because the website recommended a package deal. One match, intentional. Step 2. I calculated the difference between the smart choice and the full experience. $5,440 minus $1,000 equals $4,440. Step 3. I automated that $4,440 into my index fund the same week I got home from the trip. Not next month, not after I figured out my budget, that week. Because if I waited, lifestyle inflation would absorb it. New shoes, dining out, stuff I would not remember. I automated the transfer before my brain could invent a reason to spend it. 10 years later, that decision is worth $11,524. My friend has the same memories I do. We talk about that trip all the time. But I also have an investment account that grew while I slept. This works for concerts, destination weddings, festivals, vacations. Anytime the experience trap shows up, pick the one thing that matters. Skip the upsells. Invest the difference immediately. You will have the memory. And in 10 years, you will have the money too. The World Cup happens every 4 years. Compound interest happens every single day. Choose the one that keeps working long after the stadium lights go off. If you learned something today, hit subscribe and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.